Now one more thing is there in this chapter, that is the what is the reason or what is the rationale behind the power sharing. There are two rationales, दो reason NCERT में दिया हुआ है जिस वजह से we are required to share power. What are those two reason? One is called prudential reason. If you know then tell me. And one is the moral reason. If you know about these two reasons then tell me what type of reason is the prudential reason behind power sharing and what is the moral reason behind power sharing. क्या होता है ये दोनों reason? If you know then tell me. What is these two reasons which is required for the power sharing? Power sharing is required because it reduces the possibility of conflicts. Power sharing is required because it reduces the possibility of conflicts. ये हमें बेल्जियम के मॉडल से पता चला है ना. अगर पावर शेयरिंग बेल्जियम में नहीं होता तो वहाँ पर कन्फ्लिक्ट के और या डिस्प्यूट्स के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते. गेटिंग? सो पावर शेयरिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर रिड्यूसिंग द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कन्फ्लिक्ट्स इज व्हाट कॉरस्पॉन्ड्स टू द प्रूडेंशियल रीजन. व्हाट इज द मॉरल रीजन बिहाइंड पावर शेयरिंग? मॉरली हमें पावर को शेयर करना चाहिए. व्हाई इट इज सो? बिकॉज सी, we have a democratic form of government. Am I audible? We have a democratic form of government, and democracy, what is the definition of democracy? Democracy says each and every person is, takes part in the decision making of the nation. Nation का decision making कौन करता है? Government. So the standard definition of democracy says that each and every citizen of the country is required to or should be participating in the decision making of the government. So अगर हम power share नहीं करेंगे तो this will directly, although this is the moral reason, इससे कुछ हो नहीं जाएगा, but if it is democracy तो we are liable or we are we are morally enforced or insisted to share power among different social groups, different sections of the society, different political parties, different movement, different levels of the government. Otherwise this will not be democracy. आप पाकिस्तान में देखिए क्या हो रहा है, या the best example nowadays is the Taliban Afghanistan. What is happening over there? They have overthrown the existing ruling party over there, and the Taliban has captured the power and they have established their own government over there. And then है ना, किसी को minorities have no right, they have not given the rights to the women, है ना. जितने भी स्कूल वगैरह में वुमेन थी उसको हटा दिया गया है, अब वो स्कूल नहीं जा सकती. ओनली बॉयज़ आर अलाउड टू गो टू स्कूल, ओनली बॉयज़ टीचर विल बी अलाउड टू टीच द स्टूडेंट्स, है ना, टू द बॉयज़ स्टूडेंट्स. So girls, all the working women are not allowed to go to the offices, their own respective job places. So this is the kind of thing. इसमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि they are not giving power to the different sections of the society, which simply means that they are not democratic. Or because we have democratic form of government, so we are enforced to share the power among different sections of the society. Otherwise this will be morally incorrect. Otherwise this will be morally incorrect. So these are the two reasons. इतना ही है इस चैप्टर में और कुछ भी नहीं है. अब इससे रिलेटेड किसी भी तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं अगर, so you should be able to आंसर दैट.